Today what we're going to be talking about is power sources. Energy and power are commonly confused with each other. When we actually think about power, we're actually using the word energy that should be used. So what is energy? Well, energy is the ability to do work. There are three different types of energy sources: renewable, inexhaustible, and non-renewable. Now, renewable energy sources are ones that can replenish themselves. They can come from animals, plants, or biological things. We call that biomass. These are, you can think of commonly things that come from plants, animals, trees, that kind of stuff. Then there is the inexhaustible energy sources. This is probably a new one that you probably haven't heard about. They usually lumped them in middle school in the renewable, but they're not renewable because they don't diminish. They don't need to renew, they just exist. Solar, wind, hydroelectric, geothermal, nuclear, these are not being replenished, but they also don't diminish over time. They're constant, forever. The sun's not going to replenish itself, it just is there. So we call this the inexhaustible energy sources. Then there is the non-renewable energy sources. These will not renew themselves over time and usually are going to be the fossil fuels, the coal, oil, natural gas. Now, in energy, we can actually look at the use of our energy sources in the United States, and here is in the net electricity. So this is not including cars. This is just how our electricity is generated in the year 2016. Coal makes up 30%. Natural gas makes up 34%. So 64% of our energy comes from non-renewable resources. And then you can add the oil and petroleum in there as well, which adds that up to 65%. 20% nuclear, 6% hydroelectric, wind at 6%, biomass at 2%, solar at 1%, geothermal at 0.4%. So we can look at these and see the different type of energy sources. Your next project will be to create and research about an energy source that is unique and different from your fellow classmates. So while you think about that, you can start thinking about what kind of energy source you want to do.